In our introduction class, I arranged the tool starting with the clone tool. So we're going to discuss the clone tool today. As we know, clone tool is actually used to get an information from a part of the picture to another part of the picture. So you copying yourself from one side to the other side. This is actually good. This is actually a good app for that. You can do that. Let me try by using the picture I got from the net here. Okay, let's work with these. Let's use this. No, okay, let's use this. Let's use this little baby here. So now, as you can see, we can move this boy from here over here. As you can see from here, the image is not centralized. The baby is around this corner, so let's try and move this little boy around this side. Use the clone tool. Okay, now let's start by, so once you want to use this, you have to activate the clone tool first, and now once you enter into the tool, there is always a sub tool inside it. The big tool allow you to speak anything, nothing will be done, you can move around. And also this is the brush tool. Once you activate this, anything you do will apply. And this is the eraser tool. It can erase any of your work you've done. So now, and this is the exit tool. Now also the next tool here is the brush hardness and the size, and also the eraser hardness and the size. The brush is include the opacity, while the eraser has not that. So now this is the size of the brush. If I do that, you see how big it is, and if I increase the hardness, it shows how hard it's going to appear anywhere you try to copy the information. And also the opacity, just dealing with how it's going to appear on it. And the result too as well, you can do the same settings on that. You can increase it, reduce, and do that. Okay, let's have the settings. So now we want to bring this little boy over here. Let's just move this little boy around this side. So what we're going to do is we already set the brush bigger to capture this boy. Okay, we've already done that. So let's pick our brush and paint him right over here. Okay, as soon as the brush, you can paint him right over here. You can paint him right over here. So now we go with that. So what we have to do now is erase some parts of it since it's too hard. Then we can reduce the hardness of our brush. Also we can reduce the size of our eraser rather, so we can erase parts of it that we have done, so to have a very good work. Sorry there. Okay, now let me zoom in to the picture, and now we can click and still so we can have picture. Okay, I think there's an error over there. Okay, we clean the part of this hand, so let's go back there and pick this. Yeah, this. Now you can see this thing is deleting it so sharp. So once you are zooming in, you reduce your hardness. You reduce the hardness as well. As you're zooming into the picture, you reduce the hardness. So now before you pick anything, you click on that picture, so it won't affect anything. The picture is not that sharp. So let's just work with it. Maybe next time we going to, so let me just go around and do some fast job here. Now you can see this thing is clearing off. So now let's zoom out. So one thing I have to just do is clear this portion. We can zoom in very well just to have. So the more you zoom in, the more you reduce the hardness, so it won't affect your work. Okay, so these now we're working with the result this time. So now we have this. Let's see with the outside part, this cloned side. So the secret behind this thing is actually your hardness. If it is too sharp, it won't be okay to clean away. So easy again. Okay. Now we have these parts. I don't think I've done this. Okay, I've not. Let's touch that side very well. Okay, now let's come to the bottom here and get it cleaned off. Okay. Easy go. Okay, I think that wasn't touched. Okay, that's the last zoom in there. Okay. So to zoom in and zoom out, you already know how to use the Android phone. Like you zoom in your app, your pictures, same way you apply that here. The way you zoom, double tapping doesn't work here. So what you do is just you squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Okay. You have to work with this side and clean this side off. Okay, let's zoom in to have a better view. So the more you zoom, the better work you have. The more you zoom in, the good the work will be. Okay, this part is different as well. So let's get it cleaned off. Okay, alright. fast with this. So make sure as you're cleaning, you are releasing your mouse. So whenever you mistaken, you can easily just go back to the previous one. Okay, let's see this. Okay, we have this place too. Holy Jesus. Okay, let's just go back. That's a big mistake there. Okay, let's zoom into it and delete more of these. Okay, I'm rushing this actually. Should have done a very good job by zooming in and zooming out of it. Okay, so how you do this is just you drag your mouse. You can touch. Just like this, I'm actually using a mouse here. It works with your finger as well. It's a smartphone. So okay. I don't even believe we have it over here. I don't know. Seriously? So let me get it clean in a big way. Okay. Like now, since they all blend together. Okay. Can have this. So let's see your work here. I have this little boy over here now. As you can see, it doesn't look so. Oh, this is a good one. So we did a perfect job here by bringing this little boy over here. The boy is standing still on the grass. So now we can apply with the icon here. You can see apply. Then we can save this as a picture on a phone, like JPEG, PNG, GIF, WebP, PDF, and etc. Like printing it with something else. Like now I love the PNG format using it, so I can save it to my gallery. It goes directly to your photo editor folder, so you can locate that. So let's try and locate where you can find that. And I'll save it. You can just go back to save. So we already saved that. And go to our gallery. We actually going to find it in we'll go to a gallery, other albums. It will be under your photo editor for sure. Okay, where is our photo editor? Okay, yeah, this is a photo. You see, photo editor folder. There's in our gallery. We have this guy. I'm picking it back. So this is what we saved already the other time. So now this is the usefulness of the this is how to use the clone tool on this application. I think you have learned a good thing here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.